Hi, my name is Vinayak and today I will teach you how to make Screwjack assembly in Catia V5. Before making this assembly, you need to build these all parts in part design. First you need to go for start mechanical design, then assembly design. For making any assembly in Catia V5, you need these three toolbars. In these toolbars, mainly useful tools are existing component and existing component with positioning. Difference between these both tools, as name suggests, you can take part by using this tool with one constraint and coincidence constraint, contact constraint, offset constraint, angle constraint, and fixed component. In move toolbar, useful tools are manipulation and stop, manipulate, and clash. I will teach you one by one tools. You can change this name to Screwjack assembly. This is the assembly. Okay. First you need to bring one component by using this toolbar. Body, open, fix component. You need to fix one component in any assembly, so I will fix this part, then click OK. You can check this part degrees of freedom. Click on body part, body object, component, degrees of freedom. It shows there is no degrees of freedom because this part is fixed. Then you need to existing component and click on assembly. Next component is nut. Open. You need to select this axis and this axis and OK. You can check degrees of freedom by using manipulation tool. Sometimes it was unchecked, you need to check this option. Then you can bring this top. It will clash when it will hits to body. You can check. So it will clash when it will hits to body. It will happens when only you need to on this tool. Otherwise it will not stop when clash. See, will goes inside. When you will on this tool, it will not going inside. You can lock this degrees of freedom by using this tool, contact constraint. You need to select this surface and this surface. Then you need to update. Okay. Next part is screw spindle. This axis and this axis. You can change direction. Then you can bring it out by using manipulation. You need to give some distance from here. For that operation, you need to select offset constraint. Then you need to select this surface and this surface. Then click OK. You can change this dimension. whatever you want. Then update. Okay. Next part is cup. Select this surface and this surface. Then you need to coincide this axis and this axis and update. Okay. Next part is washer. Open. Select this surface and this surface. Change direction. Then click OK. Click this axis and this axis. Okay. Next component is CSK screw. Open it. Select this axis and this axis. Then click OK. Then this surface and this surface and click OK. Then update. See, now assembly is completed. Now you can render this assembly. And I have missed another one part, that is tummy bar. Take this tummy bar and this axis and this axis. You can bring it out by using manipulation tool. Click x-axis, take it out. Okay, update. Now assembly is completed. You can render this assembly now. Click Photo Studio Easy Tools. Select background image, then place your assembly and click render. It will take some time. Now render is completed. Now you can take image of this assembly. Save image. Save this wherever you want. Already I have saved this image in my desktop. Thank you for watching.